Well, today, nope, well, like 45 days ago, hitched up the old wagon, head into town, grab her monthly victuals. Ran across this here Japanese barbecue sauce at Leaper's Fork. I thought I'd give it a try, seeing I'm like a year behind. We're going to have some protein to use that sauce on, so we're going to make us up a little Asian marinade. I guess it's Asian. Not really much of an Asian cook. We got to have saltiness, and that's coming from that there soy sauce. Don't have an exact recipe. That was about 10-second glug. Got to have that sweetness, and that's going to come from honey. Say that's 2 or 3 tablespoons. I just found this here toasted sesame oil in the cabinet, so it sounded like that's supposed to be in a Asian marinade. Don't know what it's good for, but there you have it. Bring a little funkiness to the party. We'll add about a tablespoon or so of this here fish sauce. You know, that umami flavor and all. We got to get a little the back of the throat. We're going to use this here Bushwick Kitchen gochujang sriracha. We'll add a little heat, a little twang. Now once you get that in, a tablespoon or so, you got to keep the vampires away. We're looking at about 5, 8, 12 cloves of garlic, however much you like. And since the pig didn't have whole ginger root, you got about 5 little discs coming in little plastic things. Get it all shredded up. There you have about 2 green onion, the white parts of them green onions, sliced up real fine in there, and got to have some pepper. There we have our smoked pepper medley. We have links to the links in the description to order you some. Well, not the smoke part. Anyway, I picked up these here beef fingers at the pig. Don't know where beef fingers come from. Maybe it's hoof. Maybe this is cow hoof. I have no clue. It's kind of like buffalo wings. I don't know where the wings are on a buffalo either. Anywho, let's get them all coated up real nice. Make sure you get all the sides, corners, backs, fronts juiced up. Roll her up to get all the air out. Let's stick this thing in the fridge. Let's say at least 4 hours. We'll toss it around or flip it maybe, once. Don't get too carried away. Yeah, this ain't rocket science. There you have it. After 4 hours, we have some marinated cow fingers. Let's get these babies, out on the grill. We're going to be cooking on the baby grill, really hot today. It's going to be a short cook. We're talking like get them on the grill. By the time you get them all on there, it's about time to start flipping. This here was about a minute, 30-second cook. Actually, that was a little more than I needed to for my liking because they were more of a medium doneness. I was done, so if you want to go about 30 seconds to keep it rare, might try that. That's it. That's how easy and quick the cook went. And look at them flames from that old FOGO. All right, here we have it. That's what it should look like. Got to give it the snort test, and it does pass. Smells good. As usual, we're going to let it rest for about 5 seconds. Use some very expensive butcher paper. Just make sure those February flies don't get on it. Welcome to Tennessee. Just slice her up. Make a little bit more manageable bite size. There you have it. Very nice looking cow. All right, let's try this sauce. Oh yeah, I can see why everybody was jumping on this train. That's some mighty good stuff. What I tell you to do, I do this at home here a lot here lately. Go down to the local store and get you some cilantro lime rice if you don't want to make it yourself. Oh yeah, put some of these little green onion stems on there to make it pretty. Make you a little dish with that rice and this here meat. It is good. Alrighty, that's it. You know what? As always, I appreciate you. Mojo is out.